Hello students, welcome again. Now today we are starting the new topic of this chapter, that is respiration. Now we have done with digestion. अब digestion से जो food हमने लिया वो हमारे different cells तक पहुंच गया है, okay, with the help of blood. Now what is respiration? Sometimes we define respiration in terms of breathing. So that respiration is not breathing, not only breathing. Okay, so what is respiration? It is the process of oxidation of nutrients at cellular level. That means oxidation of food, you can say oxidation of nutrient at cellular level. It is known as respiration. Means जो food हम हमारे different cells तक पहुंचा उनका oxidation होगा, then we'll get energy from it. So another definition for respiration is, it is also defined as the process of release of energy. जो हमें चाहिए, what we want from food, we want energy from food. That means we want different nutrients so that we can get energy from it. So release of energy in the form of ATP. Very, very important, in the form of ATP. That means adenosine triphosphate. Okay. Later we'll get to know what is ATP. Further, it is known as energy currency of our human body. Okay. ATP from glucose molecule. Glucose molecule is that which we have taken from plant. That means जो हमने food लिया है, it is in the form of glucose. तो उस glucose को break down करेंगे ताकि उससे हमें क्या मिल सके, energy मिल सके. Okay, and energy in the form of ATP. Glucose molecules that are broken out to CO2 and H2O molecule, जिसका हम breaking करेंगे in the form CO2 and H2O. So this is the whole process of respiration. So why respiration is important? Respiration is that जो हमने food लिया है in the form of nutrients, उनका breakdown होगा, and this breakdown is known as respiration. Okay, so breathing is not only respiration, because breathing is a part of respiration. Not all breathing is known as respiration. Okay, so what is the process, what is the reaction taking place inside our body? Is this, that means glucose जो digested food हमने लिया है और वो cell तक पहुंच गया है. So this glucose when added with, that means the oxygen which is coming from the atmosphere, from our nose, from lungs to different cells, this 6CO2 gives out what? It gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O and energy in the form of ATP. And this energy, we use this energy for various activities in our day-to-day life. Okay, so this is very, very important. Ki what is respiration? The breaking down of food to get energy from it, that is known as respiration. And respiration are of two types. The types of respiration, जो food हमने लिया है उसका breakdown करेंगे तो that will be known as respiration, ताकि हमको उससे क्या मिल सके, so that we can get energy from it. And ये वही energy है जो sun ने plant को दी to do photosynthesis. Now types of respiration. So there are two types of respiration, that is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Now different organisms are there in the living world, and some are small, some are big. We know that. So according to their cellular level, or you can say their structure, they perform different type of respiration. That is aerobic respiration as well as anaerobic respiration. बड़े जानवर हैं तो they need more energy, and if the organism is small, so it will need less amount of energy. So on that basis, two types of respirations are there, that means aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. जैसा creature वैसी उसकी respiration. Aerobic respiration. So what is aerobic respiration? Name is indicating aero. Aero means air. The respiration which occurs in the presence of oxygen, it will be known as aerobic respiration, and it takes place in higher organism. It takes place in higher organism because higher organism need more energy to do their activities. Higher organisms are those organisms which have complex स्ट्रक्चर, जिनके पास कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर होता है, एंड दे डू मैनी प्रोसेसेस, दैट मीन्स दे आर डूइंग इट्स स्ट्रक्चर डूइंग इन द मैनी प्रोसेस इनसाइड इट, बहुत सारी प्रोसेस करते हैं, तो इट नीड मोर एनर्जी एज कंपेयर टू द लोअर ऑर्गेनिज्म. तो हायर ऑर्गेनिज्म डू दिस टाइप ऑफ aerobic respiration. That means aerobic respiration they do because it releases large amount of energy. Because it releases large amount of energy. Because we are higher organisms. We perform many functions, many activities. So we need large amount of energy. So this process, aerobic respiration, is this. This is aerobic respiration. This is the aerobic respiration. This is known as, this is the reaction of aerobic respiration, which gives large amount of energy in the form of ATPs. It gives out 38 ATPs. Okay, in single process it gives out 38 ATPs. Now it starts in cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a part of a cell. It starts in cytoplasm, and there a process takes place that is known as glycolysis. Okay, that means glycolysis is a process in which glucose is broken down into, glucose is a 6-carbon compound. It is broken down into 3-carbon compound that is known as pyruvate. Okay, pyruvate has a formula C3H4O3. Here you can see it is a 6-carbon compound. Here it is a 3-carbon compound. It is known as pyruvate. Okay, very very important is this. The conversion of glucose into pyruvate is known as glycolysis, and it takes place in cytoplasm, which is a part of cell. Okay, and it continues in mitochondria. We know that in previous classes we have learned what is mitochondria. Mitochondria is powerhouse of a cell. एक सेल का पावर हाउस है, because all the power is coming from it. Mitochondria सारी पावर आती है. Because why? Because ultimately जो भी प्रोसेस होगी रेस्पिरेशन की, it takes place in mitochondria. It takes place in mitochondria. Okay, and this pyruvate again broken down into this carbon dioxide and water, and releases a large amount of energy, 38 ATPs. It releases 38 ATPs, and though it is taking place in mitochondria, so that's why mitochondria is known as powerhouse of cell. So this process, the conversion of pyruvate into carbon dioxide and water, it is known as Krebs cycles. Okay, and in this process, complete breakdown of food takes place. This means ये glucose पूरा का पूरा breakdown हो जाता है and releases a large amount of energy. So this is all about aerobic respiration, and why it is called cellular. It is also known as cellular respiration. Why it is known as cellular respiration? Because it is taking place in cell. A living organ के cell के अंदर take place हो रहा है, so it is known as cellular respiration as well. Now the another type of respiration is anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration, which takes place in the absence of oxygen, it is known as anaerobic respiration, and it takes place in lower organism. We know that if the organism is small and you can say कि small and lower in its structure, ज़्यादा advanced नहीं होगा, so it will have a simple type of organism. Complexity नहीं होगी, so it will do less type of activities, or you can say less activities. It can perform less. It will perform less activities rather compared to the higher organism. Higher organisms are those which have complex body. You can say complex organisms they are known as, and they do many processes inside. They have many processes inside it. लोअर ऑर्गेनिज्म में ऐसी कोई प्रोसेस नहीं होती है, सो दे नीड लेस अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी. सो दिस एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन टेक्स प्लेस इन लोअर ऑर्गेनिज्म बिकॉज दे नीड लेस, यू कैन से लेस अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी, सो दे डू, एंड वो एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन भी कर सकते हैं, या दैट मीन्स करते हैं, यू कैन से, एंड it release less amount of energy. This process release less amount of energy and only 2 ATPs are produced during this process. ये भी सेम प्रोसेस है, ग्लाइकोलिसिस भी होगा, एज वेल एज यू कैन से कि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में भी क्रेब्स साइकिल, लोअर ऑर्गेनिज्म तो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया हो ना हो, इट इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट, बट दिस प्रोसेस टेक्स प्लेस इन साइटोप्लाज्म एज वेल. ओके, इसमें भी ग्लूकोज बनेगा, ग्लूकोज पायरुवेट में कन्वर्ट होगा, देन इट विल पार्शियल ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ फूड टेक्स प्लेस. पार्शियल ब्रेकडाउन होगा, सो इनकम्प्लीट ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ फूड टेक्स प्लेस इन दिस प्रोसेस. एनोबिकेशन में इनकम्प्लीट ब्रेकडाउन होता है. अगर कंप्लीट होगा, इफ कंप्लीट ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ फूड इज पॉसिबल व्हेन ऑक्सीजन इज देयर. हियर oxygen is not present, so less amount of energy is released during this process. Only 2 ATPs are produced during this process, and this anaerobic respiration is takes place in lower organism which need less kind of energy. Why they need less amount of energy? Because they do not perform as many, that means many functions as the higher organisms. उनमें higher organism have excretion is there, breathing is there, that means growth is there, or you can say so many functions there. Transportation is there, mind, that means circulation of blood is there, you can say nervous system is there. So many functions they perform, so they need large amount of energy as compared to the lower organism. So they do aerobic respiration, higher organisms, and lower organisms do anaerobic respiration. Very, very easy it is. Now moving further, what is anaerobic respiration? As I told earlier, what is anaerobic respiration? Anaerobic respiration is that in which takes place in absence of air, or you can say oxygen. Okay, so it takes place in yeast, bacteria, and in human muscles when we do heavy exercise. Okay, so because of that we feel cramp or fatigueness because of the formation, or that means incomplete breakdown of food. At that time we need more energy. जब हम ज्यादा फिजिकल एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, तो दैट टाइम वी नीड मोर एनर्जी फॉर. अब हमें मोर एनर्जी चाहिए, बट in comparison to more energy we have less amount of oxygen. हमें कम ऑक्सीजन मिल पाती है. so there we do anaerobic respiration. हमारी जो ह्यूमन मसल है वो anaerobic respiration करती है, and in this process the incomplete breakdown of food, the glucose, you can say कि ग्लूकोज का incomplete breakdown होता है, then we form lactic acid. फिर हमारी बॉडी में उस मसल पर मसल के सेल पर लैक्टिक एसिड फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है. सो देन वी विल हैव क्रैम्प. तब हमें क्या होता है? क्रैम्प होता है. नाउ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म, द anaerobic respiration of two types, that is alcoholic fermentation and lactic acid fermentation. Fermentation is used for those microorganisms जो anaerobic respiration करते हैं, तो उनके लिए एक टर्म यूज की आती है fermentation. Okay, so first name indicating alcohol, that means the byproduct of, that means you can say the product of breakdown of glucose forms alcohol. Okay, alcohol. Incomplete breakdown of glucose to ethanol and CO2. जिसमें प्रोडक्ट हमें क्या मिल रहा हो? इथेनॉल मिल रहा हो, एज वेल एज CO2 मिल रहा हो, एंड एनर्जी मिल रही हो, प्लस एनर्जी इज ऑल्सो देयर, प्लस एनर्जी. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ फर्मेंटेशन, और यू कैन से anaerobic respiration, is known as alcoholic fermentation. So what happens in this process? So first glucose is there. It will convert it into first pyruvate, first C6H12O6, pyruvate C3H4O3. It takes place in where? Cytoplasm. And we know that कि it takes place in lower organism. तो उनमें माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया होता है या कहाँ होता है? That means they are known as prokaryotes. सो उनमें माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया होता है नहीं होता है. सो तो सारी प्रोसेस उनकी कहाँ होती है, साइटोप्लाज्म में होती है. सो absence of O2. In absence of O2, what it will form? It will convert it into ethanol plus CO2 plus energy, and that energy is 2 ATP. Okay, ethanol has a formula C2H5OH. तो ये फॉर्म करता है, दिस प्रोडक्ट इज फॉर्मिंग, सो इट इज नोन एज अल्कोहलिक फर्मेंटेशन. So because ethanol is forming, ethanol is very very important. Nowadays we are using what? Hand sanitizer. So hand sanitizer is made up of ethanol. If you check the label, you will see ethanol in it. The ingredient you will have ethanol in it. So it is used. Ethanol is used in wine, beer, cheese. It is. So this alcoholic fermentation is used, that means you can say the anaerobic respiration is used to make wine, beers, alcohol and cheese, etc. Okay. So another type of fermentation, you can say anaerobic respiration, is lactic acid fermentation. Because the product is forming what? Lactic acid is forming. Because the product is forming lactic acid, so it is known as lactic acid fermentation. So the incomplete breakdown of glucose to lactic acid plus energy. Okay. So इस process में lactic acid बनती है, as it is forming lactic acid and less amount of energy is released, so it is known as lactic acid fermentation. E.g. in human muscles during heavy exercise, when we do heavy exercise, so we need more oxygen, but process एक ही है. We take oxygen from here, तो ऑक्सीजन की जो अमाउंट होती है वो कम पहुंचती है हमारी बॉडी के मसल तक. सो एट दैट टाइम हमारी जो सेल के अंदर रेस्पिरेशन होता है वो किस टाइप का हो जाता है? एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन होता है, बिकॉज वहां पर पूरी अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन नहीं पहुंच पाती. हम क्योंकि ज्यादा एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं तो वी नीड मोर ऑक्सीजन, बट ऑक्सीजन पूरा नहीं पहुंच रहा है, तो हमारा जो ग्लूकोज होता है हमारी बॉडी के साथ उस सेल के बॉडी उस मसल के सेल के अंदर, तो पूरी तरह ब्रेकडाउन नहीं होता. एट दैट टाइम इट फॉर्म्स लैक्टिक एसिड एंड लेस अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी. एंड इजी ह्यूमन मसल्स एज आई टोल्ड, एंड इन सम बैक्टीरिया व्हिच टर्न्स मिल्क टू सोर मिल्क, जो मिल्क को सोर मिल्क में कन्वर्ट करते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लैक्टिक एसिड. सो व्हाट हैपेंस विद दिस? अगेन ग्लूकोज first in cytoplasm it will convert into pyruvate, and then it will convert into lactic acid plus 2 ATP again. So it is the process of lactic acid fermentation, where glucose is converted into convert into pyruvate in cytoplasm, then again lactic acid, which further convert into lactic acid, and then 2 ATP is released during this process. So here you can say less O2, because जितनी मात्रा में O2 वहां ऑक्सीजन में वहां पे चाहिए वो नहीं पहुंच रही है. So glucose is broken down into lactic acid. First in cytoplasm glucose will be converted into pyruvate, and this pyruvate will convert into lactic acid. Again it is a 3 carbon compound molecule. Here it is also 3 carbon compound molecule. It is 6 carbon compound molecule. So very very important कि anaerobic respiration is of 2 types, that is alcoholic fermentation, because the product is forming which is known as alcohol, and here the second, where less amount of oxygen is the cell is having, so the product is forming, that is lactic acid. So this type of anaerobic respiration is known as lactic acid fermentation. Okay. Now moving further, now let me first summarize the process of respiration, that is the anaerobic respiration, aerobic respiration. What happens? Glucose is a 6 carbon compound molecule, and it converted into pyruvate first in cytoplasm. In cytoplasm it converted into pyruvate plus some energy is released. कुछ एनर्जी रिलीज होती है, एंड इन साइटोप्लाज्म दिस एनर्जी इज यूज्ड फॉर वेरियस मेटाबॉलिक प्रोसेसेस. देन हियर ग्लूकोज इज अ 6 कार्बन कंपाउंड, you can say molecule, 6 carbon molecule it is, and when it converted to pyruvate, it converted into 3 carbon molecule, 3 carbon molecule, and some energy released. And after that, on the absence of or presence of O2, 3 products can be obtained. First, in the absence of oxygen, pyruvate is converted into ethanol and CO2 is released, and some energy released in the form of 2 ATPs. And as I told earlier, it happens in small, that means lower organisms, in yeast, in some bacteria, and in the absence of, you can say in the lack of oxygen, pyruvate is converted into lactic acid and ATP and energy. So it takes place in human muscles. When somebody is doing heavy exercise. Very very important कि जब कोई heavy exercise करता है तब ही ये process होती है, and the product is, the pyruvate is converted to lactic acid, and this causes cramps in our muscle, fatigueness as well. Now the third one which we do, the higher organism do, that is in the presence of oxygen, because higher organisms need more energy for their physical activities, and because they do many functions there inside their body, so we need more energy rather than these two. So we do this type of respiration, okay, in which, that means pyruvate is converted into CO2 and H2O and ATP. Large amount of energy is released, that is 38 ATP is released. Now in presence of oxygen, and it takes place in mitochondria inside the cell. That is why it is known as cellular respiration, as I told earlier as well. So in the presence of oxygen, pyruvate is broken down into CO2, that means carbon dioxide plus water, and energy, huge amount of energy is released, that is 38 ATP. So this is a summary of aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration, okay.